I just wanted to start off this video with giving a huge shout out to House of Essex on Instagram and Twitter. Go check them out. Everything will be down in the description for this brand. They were gracious enough to send me this PR package, so thank you very much. I appreciate it. This box, I love their packaging. It's absolutely stunning. I like the red and black a lot. So when you open the box, you have your little quote. It says, "Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself," and it's Coco Chanel. And I really like that there's a quote there. And then get all the stuff in the box. Little card for me. Another little envelope. These are just little business cards for them. And you have their product catalog. I don't want to rip this paper. I really don't. I love the little lipstick sticker. It's so cute. I don't want to rip it. So we open this bad boy up and we have a bunch of little mini bags of stuff. Let's just start with this one. These are just little makeup applicators, and then this says this is a makeup protection bib. To be completely honest, that is actually very useful. And then in the second bag, we have, what do we have? This is a clear lipstick cover. And we have a little pencil sharpener in here. And then we have this little baggie. These are disposable lip color applicators. And these I actually do use a lot when I do makeup on clients. And this is a lipstick, and this is the cosmetic pencil. This is a gloss, and this is a velvet liquid lip. This is the lip treatment. And this is another lip treatment. And then this is, let's see what this is. This is a square dual mirrored compact, a 12 compartment lipstick organizer, which your girl needs one, and it's a large mesh makeup bag. Guys, I will say there's so much stuff in this box. There's a lot in here. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I will link all of their stuff in the description. You should go check them out. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.